Summer's here. And it's hot. Like really hot. Even in there. Super hot. And I have ventilation in there. And it's still hot. What to do? Well, you might remember the cardboard box air vent that I fabricated out of USPS boxes from my ceiling vent that dumps air over the door like this so that I can actually feel it where I'm sitting. What if I could bring the cold air from up there into the booth? How would I do that? So I thought about this. Knowing exactly where my ventilator is located, it's amber wig, don't worry. Knowing exactly where my ventilator is, which is that side of the wall, I would have to route the air from the outlet to there somehow. Going around the outside, obviously. And I thought I would run a pipe down into the other side. And I started thinking, what material would be necessary? Probably HVAC pipe tube vent thing for air, which is long enough that I've measured. A flange for the wall, and a flange for the box, and of course duct tape because it's duct. The ventilator in the booth is one that pulls air in from the outside and pumps it into the interior. So the idea is have the ventilator exist over here and have the flange attached via duct tape or glue, some kind of a weather seal, airtight seal in some way. Attach a pipe, right? The duct that goes up the booth and across that could jut out just a little bit. And then I could attach the flange right about there and connect it to the flange. So that when I turn on the ventilator, it sucks in the air through the funnel, through the duct from the cardboard air channel. And when the AC is not on, it's still receiving fresh air instead of the dusty one in the corner. So I think it's a win-win. Oh yeah, like that. Jan! And then this will go up and over and pop out the other side. And that's the other side. Like that. And then, right, runs along the top and comes down to the port. That's cold air. That's like air conditioning cold air. And once I close this door and apply the lock to it, now there's a weather seal around the door, and I'm almost hermetically kind of sealed in here. And as the cold air pumps in from the AC vent and starts filling up the room with colder temperature, and as the hot air naturally rises, it goes out through a small vent here, the vent that you can see, and then it gets vented outside the booth in that manner. There's another channel that goes back here, above here, where it exits on the ceiling part. So I think this is gonna work. Cold air gets pumped in from below and fills the room with cold temperature, and as the hot air gets pushed out, I can already feel it right now. That's good.